Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Night Light. By tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its color intensity, and you can also add a schedule for this mode. You can set it on a custom time, or you can just set it from sunset to sunrise. But first we will have to grant location access to this feature, and then you can set it up like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.